Welcome to Resource AI Hub. Most AI tools produce text conversations instead of completed work. OpenWorker runs locally on your machine to generate ready-to-use files and reports. The repository combines a Python local agent engine with a Tari desktop user interface. Instead of giving to-do lists, this tool creates spreadsheets, documents, and calendar updates. With over 5,000 GitHub stars, it demonstrates growing demand for local-first automation. Under the hood, a local Python agent server handles tool execution and LLM communication. When given a goal, the engine decomposes the objective into concrete step-by-step tasks. Before running shell commands or sending emails, the framework pauses for explicit human authorization. Developers can launch the backend independently to connect custom client surfaces over local ports. The architecture prioritizes privacy by keeping all model keys and transcripts inside local storage. Over 25 built-in connectors link your local agent directly into everyday developer tools. You can switch between cloud models like Anthropic or run fully offline using Allama. The codebase keeps agent logic in Python while offloading audio transcription to Rust sidecars. Windows desktop builds are currently unsigned in beta, causing initial smart screen security prompts. Power users get an automated team member that executes repetitive technical routines safely. It handles scheduled background jobs, Slack mentions, and multi-step file manipulation entirely on-device. Because it builds on top of OSWeet, developers can inspect and extend every tool binding. Check out the OpenWorker repository today to test open-source AI desktop automation yourself.